We are up super early. We're going to shoot a video for the main channel today, and we're going to be heading to a really amazing waterfall. So up nice and early, got to jump on the scooter. We got a few stops we need to make on the way to shoot some other things. Excited to be shooting a video for the main channel and bringing you guys along to like kind of show you behind the scenes of making videos. Ready for a long ride to the waterfalls?
Yeah.
One we're going to is like an hour away, so it's not too bad. Yeah, nice and early we'll get there, hopefully before too many crowds, so we can shoot it nicely. It's the worst when you're trying to shoot something and there's just like millions of people there. Ready to go. Like, look at this view. We've taken like a little pit stop on the way to the waterfall. We're getting close to the waterfall, but something else I want to shoot is just like this crazy view. And I wanted like the cool rice paddy grass and everything, but I think it's the wrong time of year for these ones, at least because they've cut them down. It's just like dead grass. But it still looks really cool. This like view here and stuff is pretty crazy. Like crazy mountains over there. I think it'll still be cool. We don't need much. Just gonna shoot some shots of Hannah like walking along this little grass bit, and then that should be it. Woo. Okay, ready? Okay, go. We're shooting some fun stuff out here. The video we're actually creating for the main channel is for this new smartphone gimbal from Zion Tech. If you guys want to check out the real video, it will be linked down below. It's on the main channel. Hopefully you guys are subscribed to that. But yeah, it's super fun. We're gonna pack up this location and head to the waterfall, which isn't too far that way. I think it's like 10 minutes away.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, this place is cool. It's really fun to be out in Bali shooting like new locations and like different style stuff again. Enjoying it. Very cool. We have made it to the waterfall parking lot. Took a little hike down. It's not very far. How far is this hike again?
I can't remember. It's a lot further on the way up.
Yeah, but I don't think it's far. It's probably like 10 minutes or something. We're gonna see if we can get something to eat, because I'm not that stressed about the light for the waterfall. Usually like if we leave super early in the morning, we try and get to the shoot location as early as we can, but because the waterfall's like in a valley, there's no light there, so waiting till later on in the day doesn't really matter. It like lights it up a bit more. It's almost too dark if you're there too early. But let's see if we can get at least some water and maybe like a snack. Hello, how are you? One big water.
This one. Bang bang. Bang bang is good.
So just way too hungry, so we got these like instant noodles. Stuff is so good. Not very good for you though. But quick breakfast before we go down, so we have energy to shoot.
Yeah. Gotta have the fuel.
And a coffee in a can. So we got a little hike down. Whoa! We got a little hike down. These jungles here are like so crazy. It's so like dense and everything's so huge. It's like Jurassic jungles. So many stairs.
So many stairs.
I can hear the waterfall there. Okay, we have arrived at the waterfall. Ha!
Please.
He said that's funny.
Ha. Ha 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 ha. Hilarious. How can one person be so funny?
It's hard being this funny. Crazy. Oh, look at those light rays and everything. This is such a sick spot. I think this must be my favorite waterfall I've been to in Bali. I think we've been to all of them, if not close to all of them. This one is next level. Okay, we're gonna start shooting our video. Waterfalls are like notoriously hard to shoot because there's so much water in the air that all your gear just gets super wet. If you're trying to do any audio, it's so loud that you can like barely hear. It's pretty dark, like they're hard to shoot, but if you do get it right, they look so cool. So we're gonna try get some shots here for the main channel video. There. So it's so hard to shoot at the waterfall. It's just like so much water vapor, everything just gets super wet as soon as you start shooting. My phone has a...
At least that's waterproof.
Yeah. This place is insane though. We're getting cool stuff. Woo! Everybody's left. So we literally have this whole place to ourselves. Ah! There's no one here. Crazy. Yeah, we're gonna shoot some more stuff here. Start getting some shots for Hannah. Okay.
You get extra wet with rain.
Okay, go. I'm glad the A7S3 is weather sealed, but this lens is not. And look how wet it is. It's so crazy to shoot like in the waterfall.
Well, I take this. Well, you take this in case I slip. I'm just not that.
Yeah. Ah! Okay, we're done. Got some super cool stuff. Really stoked with how it turned out and super stoked with having it all to ourselves for a little bit. As nice as it is to shoot things like this all by ourselves, it's also quite sad because Bali relies so much on tourism, and we've been here a bunch of times before the pandemic and everything, and there was always loads of people here. You had to like wait to shoot, so it's really nice shooting it all empty, but it's sad for the locals because so much of Bali relies on tourism. Hopefully it's going back now though. The locals here have been saying it started to get much more busy recently, so get all our photo shoots in before the tourists arrive. Stairway to nowhere. Gotta work off all of those noodles we ate for breakfast. We're back home. I'm so tired after that mission. We left at like 6. It's like 1:30. Why'd the AC just turn off?
What is it doing?
Do you run out of power? Ah. Yeah, so tired, just gonna chill for a bit. We're going for a little evening edit session at a cafe or something. Been chilling at home for a while because quite tired after this morning's mission.
Yeah, it was a long time on the seat.
So yeah, gonna go find some sort of cafe, somewhere to do some editing. Yeah, dude, this is epic.
That is incredible. I love the black burger.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Black burger.